I'm Dr. Elizabeth Roy, Dr. Studio. Let's talk about natural hormone therapy and what that means. You know, everything is natural and healthy and holistic and all that stuff these days. And although I wholeheartedly believe that holistic and natural is the way to go when necessary or when possible, there's a lot of confusion about what this means. So natural hormone therapy or hormone replacement, to me, means that we're using bioidentical hormones when possible, which in my practice is always possible. We're using hormones that your body recognizes, that are made to look exactly the way your body it makes them. Sometimes they're made from plants, sometimes there's other synthetics that are put together, but regardless, the molecule is exactly the same as your own molecule, and so it's going to have exactly the same action. Now, again, a holistic approach to hormone replacement therapy is understanding how do these hormones actually work in your body? Where are they produced? What needs to be stimulated in order to get your own manufacture of hormones going? Maybe you don't need hormones. Maybe we need to get your pituitary to stimulate your testicles to make hormones, or your pituitary to get your ovaries to make hormones. Maybe we need to improve your adrenal function to make hormones. Or maybe we just need to give you hormones, but we have to do it in a smart way where we're respectful of how the body works, where we give you some precursor hormones like DHEA and pregnenolone while we're giving you testosterone and estrogen if you need it, or estrogen blockers if you need that too, where we're improving your body's metabolism of these hormones. We're liver detoxifying you, very simply, just giving you some nutrients that will allow your body to clear these hormones so that you're safe. Where we're doing proper monitoring, every 90 days I measure these hormones, and sometimes we change the dose, sometimes we don't have to, but we want to make sure that we're moving with you in a direction of health and wellness. We're going to titrate them to where you feel your best, and yet we're keeping you in very safe and manageable and thoughtful ranges, if you will. I will do some imaging tests to make sure, again, that we're not heading into any trouble. We will absolutely look at some genetics and take your family history into consideration. So a holistic approach to hormone balancing using natural bioidentical hormones with a very comprehensive look at the entire neuroendocrine system and a respect for who you are, what your risks are, how to protect you, how to improve your risk of prostate cancer, for instance, by replacing your testosterone and balancing that estrogen. Believe it or not, we are going to help improve your wellness. So holistic approach is what we do here at Dr. Studio. And if you are interested in an evaluation, give us a call and we'll get started. It will always make sense to you or we won't do it. That's another thing. We'll collaborate until you understand what the goals are, we align, and we know how to protect you. Thank you.